welcome to Toby's channel. We are today introduce yourself F1 Max HID to LED. We upgraded from F1 Pro to F1 Max. It comes with Toby's official gold plated logo. Okay, let's unbox this product and check the features. Okay, let's test the F1 Max in LED version. Its official product must use in your car in the place of halogen. D1, D2, D3, D4 all available in F1 Max. Must use in your car in place of halogen. When you gonna buy, please visit Toby's showrooms, Dera and Dagama. If you want to buy through online, please visit tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba. Thanks for watching our videos of product. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thanks everyone. See you in next video.